Happiness grows from within. If we seek it outside of ourselves, it will forever elude us. We have to plant joy in our own hearts and water our own souls. Today we have a new shawl pattern for you, Dichondra, and it will be a reminder to find the joy within. Dichondra is a flowering, vining plant in the morning glory family, and the name evokes humility, courage, and kindness. This beautiful half-pie shawl designed for you by Patricia Liefeld features captivating lacy stitches that will wrap around you in a warm embrace. It features this gorgeous slanted twig stitch pattern that flows into these beautiful lacy leaves and then finally into a gorgeous knitted on border. Just like the plant, this shawl flows and drapes so elegantly. We chose to use 3 colors of our hand-dyed Sincere sock yarn to make this. Our Sincere sock yarn is a soft, long-wearing yarn that's a blend of Superwash Merino Wool and Nylon, so it's nice and squishy. And if you would love to win a set of the damsel hues that we used to make this beautiful shawl, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know your favorite color. Damsel hues is a soft green palette, and I love how Patricia used the kit to make these beautiful big blocks of color. You could opt for a subtle gradient or a solid color if you like instead. So here are a few things that you'll need to know in order to be successful with this pattern. The first thing you're going to need to know is how to work a garter tab cast on. To start our garter tab cast on, we're going to begin by casting on 3 stitches. So I like to just twist my yarn, cast on my 2nd stitch, and my 3rd stitch. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and knit 6 rows. So knit 2, 3, so there's row 1, knit 2, 3, there's row 2, and you'll do that until you have 6 rows. Knit, 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 row 3, knit, knit, knit is row 4, and just keep going. Knit, knit, knit is row 5, so 1 more row. Knit, knit, knit. So there are your 6 rows, so you have a little tab. So at this point, after you've finished your 6 rows, you're not going to flip like you normally would. We're just going to go ahead and actually rotate around, and we're going to pick up 3 stitches along the edge, and we're going to knit those. So just go ahead and pick up 3 stitches with your other needle, boop, boop, and boop. And we're just going to knit those 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to rotate again, so it's another 90-degree rotation. And you can see here, this was our original cast on. So we're going to do the same thing. You want to pick up 3 stitches on that edge as well. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to knit those as well. So 1, 2, and 3. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches on your needle. Another technique used in this pattern is a knitted on border. It creates a really beautiful flowy edge to your shawl without the tightness of a typical bind off. So you can see how nice and stretchy it is. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start our knitted on border, and I'm just gonna pretend that this is my little shawl here and these are my remaining live stitches. We're gonna start by casting on 7 stitches, and I'm just gonna use the knitted cast on method. So just insert your needle into that final stitch as if to knit it. Go ahead and pull up that loop and line your needles up perpendicularly and slide that stitch onto your left hand needle. So we've cast on 1 stitch. Let's do it again. Insert your right needle as if to knit and pull up a loop. Line your needles up like so and slide that onto your left needle. So there's 2. Again, grab a loop, slide it on, There's 3. And you don't even have to pull your needle out. You can just leave it in and grab the next loop. There's 4. Leave your needle in the stitch. There's 5. There's 6. And there's 7. So we have cast on 7 stitches. For row 1, we're going to start by purling 6. So bring your yarn to the front and just go ahead and purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're going to purl 2 together. So this is basically eating up 1 stitch of our body. So purl 2 together, and then you're good to turn. For row 2, we're going to start with a knit 3. So this is our border. This is our body of our shawl. This is our border. So you're going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over and slip 1 knitwise. So insert your needle as if to knit, like so, and you're just going to slip that next stitch. Then you're going to knit 1. Then you're going to pass this slip stitch up and off the right needle. Then yarn over and knit 2. For row 3, go ahead and turn. And we're going to start with a purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to eat up another stitch of our body. So every other row, you're going to be eating up a stitch of your body with these purl 2 togethers. So now you're going to purl 2 together. So this is 1 stitch from our border, 1 stitch from our body, and boom. And you'll just continue on following the rows like that. Another quick little note, this pattern does include both written instructions and a chart, so you get to practice your chart reading skills. And if you would like more information on that, definitely check out our video on how to read lace charts. Also, I highly recommend that you watch our video on how to use a lifeline in your lace knitting. Even if you mess up, you can easily rip back. And you definitely want to block this shawl when you're finished to open up all those gorgeous lacy stitches. So because of that, I do recommend using natural fibers when you're making this so that after you block it, all those stitches will stay nice and open and airy. So best of luck with this beautiful shawl, my friend. You can download it and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. And if you would love to receive patterns like this for free weekly, just sign up for email updates while you're there. Take good care of yourself, my friend. Don't wait for others to make you happy. Plant joy in your own heart and watch it flourish. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye-bye.